Imagine waking up one day, realizing that everything you know, every comfort you cling to, could vanish in an instant. This is existential dread, the haunting awareness of life's fragility and inherent suffering. Philosophers like Kierkegaard and Nietzsche grappled with this, suggesting that confronting our fears can lead to authentic existence. Existentialism teaches us that suffering is part of the human experience, and embracing it can unlock freedom. What if our suffering is not a burden, but a path to deeper understanding? As you ponder this, ask yourself, is there meaning in the chaos of existence, or are we simply adrift in an indifferent universe? Close up your energy leaks by facing your fears and charges from early childhood. We offer a 6-month track for survivor executives. tothepointcoach.com. Close the black holes in your aura where old fears are stored and your life energy is constantly leaking into. Start using this energy to inspire others with impact.